the Char-Griller Gravity Feed 980. Oh, hey guys, how you doing? I got the sun in my eyes, it's cool though. I'm here for you today. This grill is probably the most popular grill on the market right now. It's like super sought after. Everybody's trying to get their hands on this, and thanks to our buddies over at Char-Griller, I got one, and we're gonna go through some of the specifications real quick. Over on the side, it has a place for you to hook your grilling tools, so you have them right there, easy to access. You slide around the front, and we have the instrument panel. It's completely Wi-Fi as well. If you're connected to the internet, you can access your grill and control the temperature right from your mobile phone. So we got a heavy duty metal handle. It's gonna pop that bad boy right up. The quality of this grill, the materials put into this smoker are definitely a cut above similar grills in this price range. You see we got a handle here that goes onto a damper. That allows you to adjust the heat flow coming in from the charcoal box. Typically when you have a smoker or a grill, obviously you have that big stupid smokestack that sticks up and gets in the way when you try to do anything with it. But this one has like a more sleek back opening that's controlled by a sliding damper. You just slide it open or close on the back, and it doesn't actually affect whether or not your smoker gets up to temperature. So the smoker's gonna get up to temperature regardless. What this does is it controls how long the heat and the smoke stay inside the chamber. So you can leave it all the way closed, it'll hold that smoke in, probably give you a harsher kind of smoke flavor. Guys, that's gonna conclude our sneak peek at the Char-Griller Gravity Feed 980, my friends. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the work in on this thing. We're gonna put it to work over the next few weeks. You're gonna see us getting into it, man. We're gonna cook all kinds of stuff, and I wanna know what it is that you want me to cook on it. What do you wanna see happen with it? I haven't cooked on it at all yet, and we're gonna film our first video on it this weekend. And I wanna know in the comments below, what do you wanna see on it? And if we pick your suggestion for that video, we're gonna go ahead and throw you a free bottle of sauce. No shipping, no cost, nothing, just our award-winning barbecue sauce directly to your house. So leave your comments below, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Check out chargriller.com, and make sure you check out skullandmortar.com. I'll see you here in a few days, and we're gonna have a brand new recipe.